Welcome to our channel. AI is taking over the world, but not in the way you think. Instead of fearing automation, what if you could use it to create multiple streams of income? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with AI automation. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these powerful strategies. Artificial intelligence is now a trillion-dollar industry, and smart entrepreneurs are leveraging AI tools to build passive income. From content creation to e-commerce automation, the opportunities are endless. AI is no longer just for tech giants. Everyday people are using it to automate tasks, save time, and generate income with minimal effort. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or a complete beginner, AI offers accessible and scalable ways to make money online. One of the easiest ways to make money is by using AI for content creation. With tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for AI-generated art, and Canva AI for graphic design, you can start a freelance business, sell digital products, or even create an AI-powered blog that generates passive ad revenue. These tools allow you to produce high-quality content in minutes, eliminating the need for expensive software or professional expertise. AI-generated content is in high demand, and businesses are constantly looking for fresh, engaging material. You can offer AI-generated social media posts, blog articles, ad copy, and even YouTube scripts to clients and businesses that need content but lack the time or skill to create it themselves. Imagine making money while AI does most of the work. AI can also revolutionize e-commerce. With AI-driven product research tools, automated customer service chatbots, and AI-generated ad creatives, running a drop-shipping or print-on-demand business has never been easier. Services like Shopify Magic can help you optimize your store with AI-generated descriptions and recommendations, boosting sales effortlessly. AI can even help predict market trends and suggest the most profitable products to sell, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. AI-powered inventory management systems can track stock levels and forecast demand, reducing the risk of overstocking or running out of best-selling products. By integrating AI, you can streamline operations and maximize profits with minimal hands-on effort. Affiliate marketing is another passive income stream made easier with AI. AI tools can generate high-converting email sequences, automate blog posts, and even create AI-powered YouTube videos that drive traffic to your affiliate links. This means more commissions with less effort. AI can analyze audience behavior and optimize your content strategy, increasing the chances of conversions and higher earnings. You can use AI to automate keyword research, generate SEO-friendly content, and personalize email campaigns, ensuring that your audience gets the right message at the right time. With AI, you can build an affiliate marketing business that runs on autopilot, continuously bringing in passive income. Not interested in starting a business? No problem. You can still make money by offering AI-powered services. From AI-generated voiceovers to AI-driven SEO optimization, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with opportunities to monetize AI skills. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for AI-enhanced productivity. Whether you're a writer, designer, or marketer, AI can supercharge your work and make you more competitive in the freelance marketplace. AI-powered tools like Descript can generate high-quality voiceovers, while AI translation services can help you offer multilingual content, broadening your client base. The demand for AI-powered solutions is growing rapidly, making this an excellent time to leverage AI for freelance work. Once you start making money with AI, the key is automation. Tools like Zapier and Make.com can connect multiple AI tools together, creating a hands-off business model that works for you 24/7. Whether you automate customer support, content scheduling, or sales funnels, AI allows you to scale effortlessly. By setting up workflows and automation sequences, you can create a system that generates income while you sleep. AI-powered analytics tools can also track performance, helping you optimize your strategy for maximum profitability. The more automation you implement, the more your business can grow without requiring constant attention. AI is the future, and those who embrace it will thrive. Now that you know how to make money with AI automation, which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making tips. See you in the next video.